This is the Piazza of Sulmona. Last time we were here, it was full of merchants, and today's Monday, so there aren't any merchants. And these are the houses that go around there. Cars can park around the edge. As you can see in the background, it's the mountains. I don't know what kind of mountains.
Almost touching the mountains. Even some of the clouds touching the mountains.
And then behind me is an old antique walkway. These stones are so slippery when they're dry because they're so heavily used. I think this town is like 1,200 years old. Don't quote me on that, but it's very old. So it's a little bit of a cross between the modern and old times. There's a bell, and it's rung by a guy who has no arms and no legs. He uses his face to ring the bell. And one day he rang the bell so hard that he fell all the way down onto the ground. And someone walks by and says, "I know that guy. He looks familiar. His face rings the bell."